Now the right charcoal already put at the bottom of the pocket tray. Now I start to add the soy into the pocket tray like this. Okay, so now the soy is already put in the pocket tray. Now I start to open the chili bag seed. Okay, so now I got the chili seed, and this chili is look nice. The color is very bright, and I will start to germinate the seed into the pocket. In the pocket, I can put 2 because I don't confident that they have grow all seed. Okay, so now it's ready. I can add some soy on the top like this. And then I watering. This chili plant I have germinated into the pocket tray, but now start to grow up with 4 leaves. So it's nice, and I will grow into the pot soon. Very easy, very fast. So in this old katai, I grow 5 plants. This is my Thai chili. Start to grow up with the green leaf come out, and there is insects on the leaf here. The ladybug. And there is the black ant here. And this Thai chili plant will set the flower soon. Now my Thai chili start to set the flower. Here's the flower of my Thai chili, and some small fruit are come out here. Here is the small fruit. Here. Very green. I remove out the grass here. digging soil gently. I add dry cow dung compost on the chili plant because I add some more energy for my chili. Now my chili set the flower and fruit. Flower. Many flower come out here. Watering. My Thai chili now set the flower and fruit. There's many flower come out and set fruit a lot here. Here is the flower. And here the small fruit come out here. A lot. And this is the fruit here. Welcome back to my video, and these are my chili. Many fruit here. The big size chili. And this chili will be harvested soon. My chili now start to ripe some fruit. The ripe fruit is yellow here. So many fruit. Today I harvest my chili. This is the big size chili. Many fruit are ripe here. Very beautiful color, golden color. After harvesting the chili, now I got a basket of the chili, very big size of the chili. Thank you for watching my gardening video. Please subscribe, like, share to your friend, and if you have any comment related to the chili growing, you can comment in the comment box below. I am happy to reply you for detail. Bye. See you next video.